Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here I am again with another Quiltopia update, and we've got Kathryn from Just Country Crafts. How are you this morning?
Great, thank you.
That's good. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll see all the updates, you'll see some great videos and interviews, because Quiltopia is only just around the corner in a couple of weeks. And Kathryn, how are you this morning?
We're fantastic.
Good, good. And Kathryn, whereabouts are you from and what's your business?
From Townsville,
Yes.
Just Country Crafts.
Yes.
Yes, and yes, travelled all the way down here.
Yeah, we're in Toowoomba at the moment, but we're going to get back down to Quiltopia, so it's going to be great. Yep, and so in Toowoomba, and what, at your shop, you do classes and that sort of thing?
Yes. So we have classes, we have socials, we have just ladies coming in and having a
So
great
you've got
time.
some kits and everything. You're going to have these at Quiltopia?
Yes, we have lots of pre-cut kits.
Pre-cut
so that
ones,
makes
yes.
life a lot easier. For
And
you.
I'm holding these fantastic mug rugs. I've got to hold it the right way. There we go. Am I holding them the right way? This way. There we go. So we've got some great mug rugs and everything that you're going to have there as well.
Absolutely.
Right,
Yes.
and you're going to be in the marketplace.
Yes, we are.
So Quiltopia, guys, don't forget, we've got international tutors, we've got Australian tutors, we've got classes, we've got at the front, you've got all those sewing machines that you can play with and fiddle with and then buy. But we've also got the marketplace, and in the marketplace, this is where we're going to have a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
We're going to have lots of things. I'm there, you're there, there's lots of others back in the marketplace, all right? So Quiltopia, 3rd to 6th of October, Rose Hill Event Centre. Don't forget, long weekend, ladies. Have a good girly weekend and come and see us.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Look forward to seeing you.
it's going to be fun. It's going to be fantastic. Well, Kathryn, thank you so much for doing this little update with me. I'll give you back your little mug rugs. Thank you so much. And what I'm going to do, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to see everybody. You can see all my interviews there. There'll be lots more loaded up and you'll be able to catch up with them all. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Watch those older videos and all the other interviews I've got there. And happy sewing.